So another application that looks like it could really be interesting would be for greenfield developments where you have a central heating district. Why don't you talk to that for a moment and one of the applications you have on that?
Yeah, we have one application now. We have one site in Belgium that we will deploy this year. You have individual houses, you have a hospital and a swimming pool. So yes, this is something which it's still about the baseload. We're talking about baseload. So if there is a 200 kilowatts minimum baseload, I think in Belgium it's a little bit less, 150 kilowatts. But yes, these are the good use cases. So in this case, in Belgium they already have a system, a heating system, a gas heating system. So we are just going to replace part of the gas by this technology, so, which is for them more sustainable, of course, and less expensive also.
I assume they have heat exchangers at the house or something like that for cooling.
Yeah, but actually we are installing our units in the heating system in the central heating system, and so all the pipes are already here. Okay. So we are connecting directly to the pipes, and the pipes are already existing.
But it seems like for a greenfield development, then this would be something to design in.
Of course. It's like, probably you can, tomorrow you can imagine in the development, to integrate natively this kind of technology in the system, okay? But generally, it cannot be the only technology, because what we are addressing the base load. So you still need a heating system to address the pikes, So, but anyway, it's more sustainable and, yeah.
It does multiple duties.